Welcome to the endless bull run. Thanks for tuning into this one. Now let's have some fun.
Good morning. Well, technically afternoon, I guess now, right?
Sam's on the screen, calling those ticks like a money machine. TTrades, Fractal in a neon grid. Swing high, swing low, that's the bit he did. Endless bull run chart in his hand. Zoom out fam, got a long-term plan. To crypto flips, Sam's new campaign is these candlestick tips. Endless bull run, Sam says one more leg. TTrades, Fractal in his head like a pledge. Break of structure, we jump off the ledge, then it wicks back up and we still feel blessed. 1 minute trader, heart rate danger. 15-minute thinker, swing trade ranger. 4-hour chef, let it simmer in the zone. Dutch oven hot, he just calls it home, oh yeah.
Played before we left the stream. Called out somewhere in here or here. Kind of in the middle of it. Running up to 76,000. Did that a little bit higher even. Let's delete all this now and start fresh. Bear flagging, or what are we doing? Oh yeah, this far looks like it wants to go down. Making a wick there. Maybe as high as 76, 1, 2, 3. Trying the lunch hour here, see how this goes. What's up, Psycho? How's it going? I was scalping the shit out of NQ this morning. On one of my funded, and then I took one trade on the self-funded. Basically a break even. Up like 100 on it. Nothing big. Up like 550 on my self-funded, on my prop funded. So not too bad. They're instant funding, so there's only a 20% consistency. So I had try to keep it around 600 on those. This looks like it just wants to fall. See if we can get in on it. Let's see what the 15 minutes doing. Looks like a smooth top. It is a smooth top on the 5 fun times. Okay, so with that, I've got a smooth top on the 5. Let's go with this plan. Accumulation. However far it wants to go. Accumulate. Then pop. Something like that. Take out that smooth top. AMD it. Could have sworn I switched this up. There we go. I don't want something so blasty today. Along this line. Yeah, that's what I was looking at here, that wickless on weight on. Oh, 1055 too, really? Thanks for the heads up. Let's take a look. Oh, geez. Yep. What's with all the wicklesses? No, I want to add text. There we go. Wickless lines up with about that 15-minute too. Oh, interesting. What's up, Willa? Missed you. How's it going? Didn't see you there. So it might. Now I'm indecisive here because of that. Thanks for that, Psycho. Let me know that there was another wickless up here. Because I could do this too. Bounce off that. Maybe a little deeper even. Definitely accumulating though during lunch here. Let's go. Let's do something. Probably overtraded, but I got in a nice groove. So I scalped the shit out of NQ just a little bit ago. Taking like 50 to 90 ticks at a time. Wish I let that last short run, but I would have went way over my consistency of 20%, which kind of sucks on these instant funded. You're checking to see if I have your Tradeify account. I do not have your Tradeify account. I don't know why I would. Subbaldus. My guess is that's either a joke or you typed in the wrong chat. Oh, if I have my Tradeify account. Sorry, I misread it. Old man eyes. I think I need to do the little plus thing, make it like magnified 700. Now I want to take a long up to this. So let's take a long up to that. Oh, fuck. I forgot that I can't do the take profit stop loss bullshit. Yeah, Psycho. One of the big round ones. I'm in trouble, boys. Shouldn't go. Oh yeah, I'm done. Should have looked at the time. We're a little bit too close to that new 15. Whoops. See, and I can't do this either because it will create a new order completely. So I'm going to have to manually stop this out. Giving it breathing room to chop through here and come back up. New 15, poke down, and right up. I thought I was going to poke down a little more than that. I don't mind though. Just run me. Someone remind me that I have to place my stop loss and take profit before I get into it, because if I manually put them in, they create new orders completely, which sucks. Oh wait, these show up. Oh. I guess I never hovered over it. Yeah, I can. I have it set up so you place them on entry light right here. That's why I'm set up for 300, so I could drag them. Could have sworn I've hovered over this before, and it has not done that. Trying to decide if I want to build a position in here, if I want to just stop it out when it comes down here. It's another 15. Looks like it wants the bull flag too. Not that I'm a flag player, but let's go. Send it straight to my take profit. God candle. Just get it done with. Don't be dumb. Break this range. This really wasn't the greatest entry. I would want to see it sweep one side before getting in. I was just playing this break here. Need to find a happy medium between not pressing buttons and pressing too many buttons. See, I don't believe for a minute that it stays on this price for like seconds on end. I'm hoping this isn't the Judas here. So if we go, I will put it to stop loss soon. Break even. Trail the old stop loss to this level here. Well, okay, that was easy enough. Win, guys. What do we do now? Do I end the stream? I'll take one trade and be done. The fees are so effing high. Okay, that was a $14 trade. I went up $7. Shout out to Psycho Bear for showing me that 5-minute wickless. I might have more fees than actual profit. I'm almost 100% sure of that. How does anyone win with these small accounts? YOLO? Does it say how many trades I've taken? 11. So like $55 in fees, up 95 bucks. So half. Oh, look at Tuesday still being my best day. Everyone's gonna come back for tomorrow to watch me lose. Everybody else trade these tiny accounts? If so, what's your strategy with them? I just feel like fees are... First off, I think it's hilarious that there's fees on Sim account. And then I find it hilarious that they're so expensive. If you're just joining, we hit a banger. Got in on this break, pulled back again, back into range, and then popped. And this right to the wickless 5 minute. And then is rejecting pretty hard off it. We are trading Warbucks' smallest eval to test them out. I only traded on stream, so everything you see is live. And I always forget what the targets are for Warbucks, so I'm going to bring it up. Not being paid to do this. And I'm not recommending them either because I haven't got to a payout yet. But I've heard that they do just fine with their payouts. Okay, I'm trading this small one step. Look. And then I need $500 goal. Daily loss is 200. Max loss is 300. I can probably still up my size, I guess. Been trading tiny size, probably a little bit too small. Is there a consistency rule? $33%. What's 33% of 500? 165. Okay, I can make $165 in a day and be fine. Yeah, that's my first time with crypto prop too. I actually had a big prop firm reach out to me a couple weeks ago. We'll see where that goes. Trying to get you all some free accounts. If not, I might be giving away some Tradeify crypto accounts. They're super cheap now. Just like PayPal people the money so they can buy them. I want to start doing giveaways. You guys been good. I think Tradeify crypto is having a massive sale. I should have reached out and done something. I'll figure something out. Yeah, Wild Deuce, you're banned. Auto ban. I need to get Willa in here. Willa, we need Wild Deuce banned from the chat. Yeah, Belicio, how's it going? This is Warbucks right now. Guys, I said I was going to scalp, and then all of a sudden my energy just died. Hit this one scalp. I have not watched the host on Tradify Crypto. Just spam their chat saying that I should be on there. Feels like it just wants some range back in, right? This could have been the Judas that we're talking about the opposite way, right? Right? I thought I heard something. Okay. I was going to jump in there. Let's wait for... You know what I'll do is... Oh, the next 15 is in 3 minutes. I'll wait for that. This looks like it wants to come down. Maybe that's the Judas. What would we aim for? These right here. That might be too close. That's a couple $100. No, it was basically a 1-to-1 that we were playing earlier. That's what I figured. The short looks like where it's at. Kind of perfect so far. Right off this fair value gap. See if it comes back for this order block. We'll measure out this order block, see where it goes. I don't know if you can see that well enough though, guys. Can you? Let's go a little lighter. Like almost directly in the middle, right off, yeah, right off this wick here. For standard deviation of that order block. If it decides to get there. Wait, that's how many you won? You won three accounts in 24 hours. Congrats, bro. Congrats. What props did you win from? Nice. How many people does Tradify Crypto have on their live streams normally? Must be hard. They're splitting up their people. Splitting up their viewership, really, by having 2 streams. Feels like I should have bought that. I meant sold that. Four. So like a 50% chance of winning an eval there. That's funny. It's being rude. I don't like this candle. I don't like the 15-minute candle. That's what I'm saying. They have like 500-600 on their Tradify TV for NQ and all that. Just splitting up their people, their viewership. It's gonna be tough for them. I need to like rotate in like an hour of crypto in their overall programming on their main account, not split it up like they're doing. At least to promote their other channel. Yeah, let's do it. Let's do it while dudes get on that, what the fuck, vlog? What is it called when people don't show their face? Not a faceless stream, but the other one where they're cartoon characters. Well, Deuce, you can degen like he does too. Although he's been banging him. He banged it today. He's up like freaking 10 or 1,000. Do you really want to go off this fair value gap here? It'd have to be something other than a potato, though. It'd be like a Doge or a Pepe or an ape. This isn't that flat, I'd like it. This is digging too deep into here for my liking. Feels like it's just gonna chop when it digs this deep. I've never done one of these. Let's do this. I'm gonna do a start a poll. I like when they ask if you're red or green for the day. And you're like currently green, so you press green. And then you take your next trade and blow your account. How are you all green? How are you red, guys? If you took this trade with me, you'd have at least 3 Lambos. Just full port the shit out of stuff. Not financial advice. I want to short this so bad. What's the hourly looking like since we're coming up on the hour? Kind of. So maybe we'll see with this. We've got 6 minutes. This is down here. Expect a little bit up here. Trade up. And then down. Possibly. Consolidating here would also be an option. This 15-minute. Looks like a bear flag, right? This is a bear flag, guys. Any flaggers? Yeah, patience is going to be key on this one. I just hope it doesn't run before the hour closes. Taking a quick peek at NQ, seeing if it's doing anything interesting. NQ looks like it wants to dump too. Oh, It's not on my screen, is it? It is not. Now it is. Yeah, all this data is delayed because I am not logged in. Oh, you son of a bitch. You're dropping way too hard for me. Oh, I don't even know what you voted. Did I curse you? Oh, I don't see an option to let you change your vote. This is going to take off without me. Sometimes my patience waiting for that next hour candle to start. Where do we retrace to? Maybe here again. Butch, I hope it's for the better. It's all good. No, I know you're joking. I was playing along. But I was also curious if I could actually allow you to change your vote. It's going to go to all my targets before we get a chance. Okay, here's the new hour candle. See what we're up for. Trade back to here, here, yeah, maybe there. It's not going to give me a retrace at all. Fair gap entries were the entries for this move down. So if that's going to continue to be the case, let's look at this one. That seems like an interesting one. That could tell a story. And the story might be we're going all the way to the moon. If we get 1,000 likes on the stream today, I will give away a 25,000 Lightning funded from Tradify. No bots, please. We're only approximately 1,000 likes away from that. Look at NQ turn on a friggin' dime. What are you even turning on? You can try it, Will. I don't know. Only 3. Is that other person that you don't know in the Tradify crypto actually you and you're just fighting with yourself? Because that would be hilarious, actually. You didn't get to the box. Get to the box. Let's do a prediction box. It's gonna, my prediction's gonna, let's go right there. Consolidate here. Pump this. No. Stay in the box. I suppose you can wipe that out a little bit and take those highs out. Oh, she ruined my box. No consolidation. Straight liquidity grab. Well, it ran from that fair value gap. That sucks. Missed this whole move, guys. Right to my targets though, that's fine. We could have taken the long and the short. That short was, I'm going to say 3 Lambos. 3 Lambo short. Wish it had tapped that fair value gap. Son of a bitch. Where are we going now, I guess, is the next step, right? Oh, we got a lot of downward targets. Crap, Will is saying those words I don't know again. Use the 15 or the 5 for the opening range, or the half hour or the hour. What's your opening range? VWAP. Yes, it is below VWAP. 15-minute BTC, okay. So it definitely is losing that. Problem is it's already hit the targets that I was aiming for, and this is where I get a little, now I'm chasing E, and I don't want to chase it. Would have been a perfect short if it came back to that fair value gap. Came back every other time, except the time I was going to jump in. So we have a lot of, if you believe in support and resistance, we have a lot of resistance. I'm in support here, but it wants to come down through it. Retrace for me. For those of you joining just now, we were looking at this trade here, but it never came back. That's what we were looking for. Wanted to tap into that fair value gap and then get in. It did not tap into the fair value gap. It stopped short, then ran into targets. So now I want to retrace. Let's watch the 5 minutes, see how the 5 minutes acting on this retrace. There's that support, guys. Got this 5 minute wick. It's probably also 15 minute. Yep. And if anybody knows how to make a toolbar, favorite toolbar on GUI trade, please let me know. It's kind of annoying that I can't or don't know how. I'm sure it's random that it keeps bouncing off the 50% of that wick. Random. That's a new 5 minute. Oops, that's what I was waiting for. I think now we have another wickless 5 minute. We do. Fun cycle bear. It is lunchtime. I haven't had breakfast yet. Bust is crushing it. He's over there trading evals now. She's just melting. Man, we didn't get tagged in though. Why couldn't you just tap that for us so we could have got in? I think we're gonna get a continuation on this next 15-minute. I'd like to see some retracing. I got a couple minutes to look. I'm done trading an NQ today though. I scalped like 550 on a funded and took a quick scalp. I didn't want to run, so I closed it out on one of my self-funded for a little bit of profit. What are we looking at? I'm like, something's missing. Quick this. Maybe. This is the 1 minute though. 50-minute looks pretty bearish. It's funny how that looks there. Butch, what are you seeing on the NQ? Still looking heavy, huh? This would be like a C setup, if that. Let's take a quick stabby. I want to see fall through quickly though. There we go. Sniped. There we go. Finally seeing some movement on this. That C setup was all right that time. reason it was a C setup for me. It was maybe a B setup because it's closed under 50% of this wick. I mean, yeah, this wick. See this 15-minute wick? I really didn't have any down target, so I had it just set to sweep. That was my take profit. Let's go over it a little bit. Why aren't you showing on that? Oh, do I really have to do it on both of them? That's dumb. And this was the scalp. Another 1-to-1. Really should be going 2-to-1s, but I'll have to turn this off to do it. That was kind of a negative RR, huh? Looked more like 1-to-1 to me. Oh, that's close enough. 2-to-1 would have played out. I needed to mark off more bearish targets. I did get a piece of it though. Should try continuation. See how far this 5 minute wants to retrace. Maybe we'll do a continuation. Pretty big bounce off that. Might just be a consolidation candle here on the 5. Just curious if we take this entire move here as the order block. Oh yeah. There we go. See how on every deviation it kind of consolidates? It's actually pretty. Consolidated here on the 1, consolidated here on the 2. Starting to consolidate on the 3 or reverse on the 3. Will it get to the 4? The 4 is right around where I marked out before too on that 15-minute. That wick. Should actually probably pull the 50% of that wick. Let's do that. Two for two on the stream right now. Quick scalpies. I can leave them up, I guess. Both 1-to-1s. Somewhere around here. And that was an extremely quick trade too, because I went directly to freaking take profit. I had nothing below this marked out yet. I still don't see anything that I really am liking for a draw. Bottom of this 15-minute fair value gap. Filled that and bounced. Yep. Really wish we'd got in on our short here when we were waiting for it to tap that fair value gap. Well, this was the next obvious continuation. I don't feel like this 50-minute is going to be a candle 2 reversal. This doesn't feel like it. I think we're going to want to come down and sweep these lows again. No real fair value gaps in there. There's a couple tiny ones. I just keep drawing boxes and lines. For those of you just joining, we're trading the smallest Warbucks account they have to try them out. I only trade this account on stream. We can take a look at stats. I'm upping my size because I've been grossly under sizing. Still getting used to the sizing on crypto. 82% win rate. I have 2 wins today. Oops, that's NQ, wrong one. We've just been keeping an eye out on NQ. I am done for the day on NQ. I hit my consistency on one funded and then took a self-funded trade for a little bit of a win. The self-funded one did not want to run when I wanted it to, so I closed it out. Up like something small. 80 or 100 bucks. But they add up. If it doesn't run when I want it to, I'll be quick to close it out. Just look for a better entry where it's not chopping or whatever. Respecting this for it so far. Like I said, I'm kind of expecting a little more downside, at least to take out here. I would expect the next 15-minute candle to do that if it was going to do that. That way it gives a cleaner. Let's give it a 15-minute over here. So it gives it a cleaner. This would be a candle 2. Candle 1, sorry. Candle 2 would be cleaner if it comes down here. If we're going to see a reversal. This is kind of a reversal area. We got a fair value gap here. I have a lot of orders that went through here. Take care, Butch. Have a good one. Actually, I'm just noticing the time too. Holy shit, it's 1:30. I forgot that I stream these later. So I probably should get going myself. But what I'm expecting is this next 15-minute candle to come down. If not, it's going to consolidate. Well, it's pretty bullish. I don't know. I just feel like this wants to be taken out. So I'm going to draw this here so I can see it tomorrow. Okay, guys, I really appreciate you hanging out. We were 2 for 2 today. Missed the big one, though, when it didn't hit that fair value gap. I'll see you all tomorrow. Appreciate it. Peace.